In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create eye-catching text effects using CapCut, a powerful video editing tool known for its user-friendly interface. Whether you're a social media enthusiast or a content creator looking to give your videos that extra flair, these steps will help enhance your project with compelling text visuals. To begin, open up your project in CapCut and make sure you're working within the timeline. Adding text is our first step. Locate and select the option to add text. This should appear as an icon or tab within your editing interface. Once you've done that, type out the text you want to display in your video. Don't worry too much about the small details like color or size just yet, as we're going to enhance and style it further in the next steps. Now that your text is placed on the timeline, let's make it stand out. It's time to choose a bold font. Bold fonts naturally draw more attention and are easier to read, especially in video formats where viewers might only have a moment to catch what's written. To add more depth to your text, consider integrating a shadow or outline effect. You can usually find these options in the text customization settings. Adding shadows or outlines gives your text a nice, three-dimensional look that can make it appear more professional and engaging. With our text now bold and outlined, the next step involves a neat little trick to further elevate your video's visual appeal. Duplicating the text layer. This is easy to do. Simply find the option to duplicate, which might be an icon that looks like two stacked squares or some similar symbol depending on your version of the software. After duplicating the text layer, slightly offset this new layer. This means you'll want to move it just a little bit in any direction, up, down, left, or right. This subtle shift creates an interesting layered effect that can catch the viewer's eye. As we move to our final step, we want to add a splash of color to create a striking 3D illusion. Select the duplicated text layer that you just offset and change its color. You might select a complementary or contrasting color to your original text. This not only differentiates the layers, but also produces a captivating shadow effect, which mimics a 3D style and adds significant depth to your text. And there you have it. With these steps, you've learned how to easily enhance your text using CapCut, bringing your video editing skills to a new level. Feel free to experiment with different colors, font styles, and offsets to see what combinations best suit your project's theme. Remember, practice makes perfect, so dive into these tools and let your creativity shine. Enjoy crafting your videos, and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Until next time, happy editing!